This is a 1991 Vacationaire ATS RV travel trailer, 32 foot long, that I lived in for a couple of months. It was a salvaged RV. It was almost entirely all original, except the AC did not work, the plumbing did not work, nor the hot water heater. The only thing that worked on it was the electrical. The original couch that was inside the living room was the only thing that was removed, along with the original TV and VCR that came with the unit. But it was a top-of-the-line model for 1991 with the sliding doors, and it had a rear bedroom that could be blocked off with the cabinet doors and the restroom. So this was a deluxe 1991 Vacationaire model that had every option for that 32 foot. So I hope all of you enjoyed it. Everything is still in it. The AC did not work either. As you can tell, window units were placed in it. And the original refrigerator was removed and replaced with a small one. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it.